Okay. Hi, this is Faddy, and today I want to show you how to connect, how to add the camera to the Vanwell Smart app. This is a Wi-Fi GSM alarm system. The model is X10, and X9 also support these functions. So first we have to turn on the camera. Okay, power is on. And then we open the Vanwell Smart. This is for Wi-Fi and the GSM alarm system. Okay, this shows the X10 is successfully connected with the app. So here the button is for adding the camera, the wireless camera, to this app. Open camera, and then add the device. Not network state, and then Wi-Fi configuration. So here shows that we have to press the reset button. This is the reset button. Okay. So then we press. This is the Wi-Fi configuration. This is the router, and put in the password, and then next. Press this button. Okay, so this shows the camera successfully connected with the app. So finish. And this means the device Z03 is this wireless camera. So press here. Okay. So you can do all the settings here. This you can play back the video that's record. This is the place to insert an SD card, TF card here.